Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to manage chatbot data on CustomGPT. Customizing the source data of your chatbot is made easy with CustomGPT's Data tab. Here, you have the ability to manage your source data by adding new sitemaps or uploading additional files that can be used as a source for your chatbot. This feature allows you to fine-tune and optimize the data used in your chatbot, ensuring the best possible experience for your users. Number 1. Navigate to your CustomGPT dashboard. Number 2. Select a project you want to customize and click on Project Setting icon. Number 3. By default, you will be redirected to the Project tab. Click the Data tab. Add sitemaps. To add more sitemaps, follow the steps below. Number 1. Enter the new XML links. Number 2. Click Add Sitemap to save. Manage Sitemaps. Within the CustomGPT Dashboard's Manage Sitemaps tab, you have the ability to oversee and control any sitemaps you have previously entered. This feature allows you to conveniently view and delete the sitemaps that are currently accessible to you. To manage sitemap, click the Manage Sitemaps button. Upload files. To upload new files for the chatbot, follow the steps below. Number 1. Click the Upload button under the sitemap. Number 2. Upload your files. Number 3. Click Add Files button to confirm the addition. Manage Files. In the Manage Files tab, you can manage any files you have uploaded within the CustomGPT dashboard. You can view and delete the available files. To manage files, click the Manage Files button. Congratulations on the successful management of your chatbot data.